What's up, peak timers? It is Porsche 918 Spyder showcase time, and we're starting it off with this silver colored variation, the first release of this one. And you guys might be mistaken because there was several concept variations of the Porsche 918 Spyder released, and the main difference with those ones, it was just not as proportionate of a casting. It was a little bit smaller than this one, and also it didn't have that dual exhaust kind of coming out the top. But this is the production variation of it, first released in this silver color with those nice blacked out wheels. And I love the front tampo work and the headlights of this one. It just looks really good. And even on the back of this one, we can see it's got the little license plate there with the Hot Wheels logo on there. All right, we'll put the silver one down. We'll move on to our next one, which is a red colored variation. This one, a very glossy red color, again with the nice tampo work on there, the little Porsche logo right at the front as well. There's that dual exhaust on the top of it, and we go to the back. This one also has the license plate with the little Porsche 918 Spyder just right there as well. And we look on the side. I like this one. Red looks fantastic on most sports cars. You really can't go wrong with the red color. We'll throw that one down, and then our next variation was the Porsche 918 Spyder, and this one was a Weissach edition. Well, it's not really specified as a Weissach edition, although it does have the kind of Weissach edition paint job on there, which is kind of the one level above a standard Porsche 918 Spyder if you want to look into the details of that one more. But this one, I like the front end of it. I like the satin black kind of matte finish paint job on there. It's kind of like the matte finish with the glossy overlay on it, so it's called satin paint job. But I think it looks really good. And the number 4 on there, again with the dual exhaust. This one's all kind of just blacked out in the back there, so there's no license plate or writing or anything like that, but I think it looks really good. And then our next one of that one, they kind of went opposite, and they released it in white, and there's our white variation of it. So it's all glossy white. It's got those same chrome 10-spoke wheels on there. This one has the number 5 on it, and we got the nice tampo work at the front headlights and all that. White looks really good on a 918 Spyder as well. So we'll throw that one down there. And then our next release is probably one of my favorite ones. It is the blue Porsche 918 Spyder. And if you guys look closely in my background, you can see there's another one right there. I've got one on display as well. But I really like this blue color, especially with white wheels on there. And then I like that striping on there. That looks really cool. And you guys might be saying, well, there's one more. There is one more. Of course there's one more. And it is the super treasure hunt variation of this one, which I did in fact purchase, but is stuck at my post office box in the United States. So I won't be able to pick that up for a while until the borders open. But until then, I do have a great collection of these 5 Porsche 918 Spyders. All right, guys, in the comments section down below, let me know which was your favorite color of these 5 Porsche 918 Spyders. I'd love to hear your guys' feedback. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.